Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to the Beauty Blaster. I hope you all doing well. May God bless you. In today's video, we will talk about and we will show you the most trending haircut trends. One of the biggest hair trends in 2023 is the shaggy haircut, a versatile style that works with virtually any hair type. With a shag, you can be sure you will keep your look updated and sexy. Whether you have thin or thick, short or long, straight or curly hair, there is a style for you. Check out in this video. Platinum blonde wavy shag, modern shaggy haircut. Whether you are looking to add texture, movement or volume to your locks, the shaggy cut offers a versatile and on-trend option. From tousled layer and face framing bangs to playful choppy ends, there is a shaggy style for everyone. Find inspiration for your next transformative hair adventure and get ready to receive your style with the carefree and effortlessly cool vibes of shaggy haircut. A slag is perfect for women with medium textured hair. If you are searching for a unique style, why not try swoopy layer and shaggy haircut, as well as offering instant volume and dimension. Shaggy layers, shaggy cut, put a contemporary twist on the traditional shaggy cut. Modern shaggy haircut add your look a stylish edgy twist, moving your hairstyle to the next level. A shaggy is a fantastic in any length. Short shaggy hairstyle are extremely sassy and sexy. With a medium shag haircut, you are easily getting on trend, while long shaggy haircut are famous for their incredible all over layers. Shags are equally good on fine and thick, curly and straight, short and long hairs. Shaggy haircut for fine hair boost volume, and curly shag haircut are great to settle recalcitrant frizz. And don't forget to view the latest shaggy bob haircut in this video. If you don't mind to surprise you are good old bob with a modern quirk. So viewers, don't forget to subscribe if you are new this channel, and do share with your friends and family, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Watch the video till the end because every haircut, shaggy haircut style is a very unique and very trendy and very low maintenance and very comfortable. If you like any picture, any idea, then you can take a screenshot in this video and go to your salon and apply this one. Thanks for watching the Beauty Blaster, and go and visit my channel properly. Thank you.